Mechanism also given, carboxylic acid plus here 2 moles of alkyl lithium followed by hydrolysis is there. In this case, what happened? OH plus substituted by R. Mechanism is there. Then our answer RCOR dash. Ketone. Similar way, same alkyl lithium carbon dioxide. RLI plus carbon dioxide. Hydrolysis is given. Here also will get ketone. Here also will get ketone. How? Here you know alkyl lithium means what here? R minus active species. R minus active. Okay now. Now here carbon dioxide, C double bond O, C double bond O. C double bond O, C double bond O. Here bond cleavage, O minus C plus Nana. Now here O minus C per C plus we are adding R minus active. So this is a R minus means a nucleophile. That's why this is called as nucleophilic addition reaction, Nana. This R minus is there. R minus added here. R minus. Therefore, RC. A double bond O here. O minus. For that Li plus added. Similar to yesterday mechanism. Again, one more. Here C double bond O is there. One more Li we can add. Tell me, Nana, again. Here bond undergoes cleavage. Again R minus added here. R minus added here. Okay now. Then tell me answer. Here bond, here R is there. Here R, one more R added. This O minus Li, again already O minus Li is there. So total 2 moles are added. Further, you know, here hydrolysis we can write, Nana. Hydrolysis means OLI become OH. OLI become OH. Here R. Here RC. R here. OH. Here also OH. Tell me, Nana. In this case, removal of water. Removal of water. Whenever water removed, then RCO, ketone you will get. Same carboxylic acid mechanism with RLI and carbon dioxide with RLI. In both cases, we are getting ketone, Nana. Ketone. So for example, CH3 acetic acid plus methyl lithium followed by hydrolysis. What is your answer, Nana? Here OH is there, in OH plus CH3. Then CH3 CO here, acetone. Isobutyric acid, methyl lithium hydrolysis is there. Simply you remove OH in place of OH. You write isobutyl group. CO here, CH3. Ketone. Ketone. Cyclohexane carboxylic acid, methyl lithium, Nana, answer. Here OH is removed. In place of OH, you have to write CH3. Okay, na? Here benzoic acid plus CH3Li. Benzoic acid plus CH3Li, Nana. Then what is our answer? OH is substituted by CH3. Acetophenone. Like this, any carboxylic acid RLI given, directly you can write. Carbon dioxide, here methyl lithium plus carbon dioxide by hydrolysis. 2 moles you have to take here. Then answer CH3, CO, CH3, Nana. CO coming from carbon dioxide. From RLI, methyl. For example, PHLi, CO2, hydrolysis. Answer benzophenone. Ethyl lithium plus carbon dioxide. So here 3-pentanone. Like this, carbon dioxide, is given directly, you can get. Cyclohexyl lithium plus carbon dioxide. Then answer 2 cyclohexyl group, middle one CO. Dicyclohexyl methanone. Dicyclohexyl methanone. Dicyclohexyl methanone, Nana. Dicyclohexyl methanone. Okay, na? Over. Like this here, whenever carbonyl compound you want to prepare from carbon dioxide and lithium above the mechanism, you check everyone. Every example you can check, no problem. Like that, by using alkyl lithium we can get. Next one, here heating of calcium or tungsten salt or barium salt, carboxylic acid, calcium or strontium or barium, tungsten salts. Heating means here we can write pyrolysis, Nana, pyrolysis. So here, for example, calcium salt means like this here, taken to Ca. Strontium also same. Barium also same. Why? Because valency of those are 2. Calcium plus 2, barium plus 2, strontium. That's why taken to take. Like this, salts are given. Pyrolysis means heat. So in this case, you have to take 2 moles of compound. Pyrolysis of salts, Nana. In this case, you have to take 2 moles. Carefully observe. Directly heat we are applying here. Directly heat we are applying here, Nana. Directly heat. Okay, na? Directly heat is there. So then what about our answer? Directly heat. Okay. Now, simply here, whenever calcium salt is there, removal of calcium carbonate. Here calcium C, here O. This is removed as calcium carbonate. Then what is there here? R group attached to RCO. New bond between these two. Similar way, here also calcium carbonate removal. Here CaCOO3. See, calcium carbonate. Then what is there, Nana? Here R group is there. Here RCO link. So finally what happened? Here R group is there. Now COR group. Where is the R? R present here, carboxylic acid. Directly we'll get the carbonyl compound RCOR. R is from acid salt. And 2 moles of calcium carbonate removed. Here also we'll get 2 moles. Here 2 moles we are applying substrate. That's why you are getting 2 moles, 2 moles. This is the simple pyrolysis case. Directly very simple, Nana. From acid, here R, CO, again 1 more R. RCOR, we are getting answer. This is called as pyrolysis, Nana. Example, here we can take formic acid salt. Calcium formate. Heat. What is our answer? Here R is, what is R? H. Therefore answer RCOR. HCOH. You will get here formaldehyde. Formaldehyde. Okay, na? Similar way, acetic acid salt. Then tell me, Nana. Here what is R? CH3 is there. Therefore our answer CH3. CO here, CH3, Nana. Acetone. Acetone. Calcium carbonate common, acetone. Next example, here calcium acetate plus calcium formate. Calcium acetate and here calcium formate. So these are there. Then what is our answer, Nana? You see, here CH3R, here hydrogen is the R. 2. Therefore, you have to write mixed. We are writing RCOR now. Here R means CH3RH. Therefore, our answer CH3COH plus. If both you have to take CH3. One more product plus. Again H you can take HCOH. But this is a major product. This is major product. But these two are minor, Nana. Calcium acetate, calcium formate. Calcium acetate, cross one is important. Similar way, calcium acetate plus calcium benzoate. What is the R group here? CH3R, here pH is the R, Nana. Therefore, what is our answer now? PHCOCH3, acetophenone. But other product, PHCOPX possible. What is the other product? Why? Because ROR na. Here R means a pH. So you can get RCOR. Here methyl. Methyl COR. So which is major? This is major. These two are minor. Similar way, here calcium acetate, calcium benzoate, pyrolysis. In this case, R group pH, here H. Therefore, what is the major product? Benzaldehyde is the major. Remaining, you know, formaldehyde. These two are minor, Nana. These two are minor. Okay, na? Now, If here both are present in same, now calcium succinate. Succinic acid means 4 carbon. Calcium succinate heat is there, Nana. Then what is our answer? So in this case, simply both are present same molecule, removal of calcium carbonate. Then what happened here? Here 3 carbon only, new bond, here to here. Then you will get what? 3 carbon ketone only, cyclopropanone. Cyclopropanone, Nana. Similar way, 5 carbon one you can take CH2, 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 CO, CO, 5 carbon. 5 carbon one. What is our answer? Glutaric acid, calcium glutarate. Then here also removal of this. Then what happened, Anna, here? 5 carbon cyclic ketone. 5 carbon cyclic ketone, that is you will get cyclobutanone. Cyclobutanone, Nana. Similar way, 6 carbon adipic acid salt. 6 carbon adipic acid salt. Then tell me, Nana, here a removal of calcium carbonate. Then what is our answer? 5 carbon, only 5 carbon ketone. That is a cyclopentanone. Like this, dicarboxylic acid salts are given. Dicarboxylic salts are there. You will get cyclic ketones, Nana. You will get cyclic ketone. You will get cyclic ketone. Okay. Now, benzene ring CH2 COO, CH2 COO, calcium plus 2. Then what is our answer? Here also removal of calcium carbonate, Nana. Then here ring, here C, here ring. Like this, anything is given directly you can get. Anything is given directly you can get. Okay, this is a pyrolysis. From pyrolysis also directly our product. Pyrolysis also there, directly will get answer. So that is a pyrolysis of ester. Next one from acid chloride. From acid chloride, here acid chloride means RCOCl. RCOCl. Here this is acting as good living group, Nana, Cl. First here RCOCl is given if any nucleophile is there. General reaction I am writing. Any nucleophile is there. What happened? Cl is a substituted. Cl acting as good living group. In place of Cl, you have to write a nucleophile. Therefore, our answer RCONU. RCONU. RCONU is there. Okay, RCONU. Next case, example will take your acid chloride plus reaction H2 by palladium barium sulfate. దీని ఏమంటాం? Lindlar's catalyst. So what is the nucleophile here? H minus. Therefore here H minus added here, Cl releases. Directly you will get answer, Nana, here aldehyde. In place of Cl, very clear, Cl. In place of Cl, you can write H, you are getting aldehyde. This is called as Rosenmund reduction. Very important reaction, Nana, so many times question, Rosenmund reduction. So what is the Rosenmund reduction? Acid chloride is given in place, acid chloride treated with the Lindlar's catalyst. H2 by palladium sulfate, barium sulfate is the Lindlar's catalyst. So when a Lindlar's catalyst, Cl place is substitute H, directly to get aldehyde. Not on this one, we can take here dialkyl cadmium, D block element here, not RMGX. RMGX means we'll get alcohol. Now I have given tertiary alcohol, but D block element slow. What is the nucleophile here? R minus is active. Tell me, in place of Cl you write R, directly you will get here ketone on answer. Okay, not on this one, you can take dialkyl copper lithium, R2Cl, you know what is the name? Gilman's reagent. Name of the reagent, Gilman's reagent. Here also what is the nucleophile? This is active species R minus, Nana. Acid chloride. In acid chloride, Cl is the leaving group. In acid chloride, Cl is the leaving group. In place of Cl, you write R group. In place of Cl, you write R group. That is very important. Nucleophilic substitution. There also answer RCOR. Like this, acid chlorides are there. Acid chlorides are there. Three ways. H2 by palladium barium sulfate. Reagent name is a Lindlar's catalyst. And the reaction name, Rosenmund reduction. Dialkyl cadmium. Remember, this is also organometallic compound. What is the meaning of organometallic compound? Metal directly bonded to organic carbon. Metal directly bonded to organic carbon. That is organometallic compound. And here D block elements are there, cadmium, copper. These are less reactive. That's why only one time substitution, directly will get COCO, ketone. By these reactions we can get. Okay, na? Now example, CH3 COCl. H2 by palladium barium sulfate. Now dimethyl cadmium, diphenyl cadmium, dimethyl copper lithium, diethyl copper lithium, Nana. Rosenmund reduction, remember, Rosenmund reduction. Answer. Here, chlorine undergoes nucleophilic substitution, very clear. Rosenmund reduction here, Cl. Then our answer, CH3 COH, acetaldehyde. Dimethyl, here methyl is substituted. You will get acetone. Here phenyl is substituted. Then answer acetophenone. Now dimethyl copper again. acetone. Next one, diethyl. CH3CO, CH2, CH3 nana. Like this here, carbonyl compound, aldehyde or ketone you are getting. Aldehyde or ketone. Aldehyde or ketone. What is your answer? Next, cyclohexyl chloride. H2 by palladium barium sulfate nana. Next one. Dimethyl copper lithium. Dimethyl cadmium. Dimethyl copper lithium, dimethyl cadmium. Answer. So here palladium, Lindlar's catalyst. So answer here cyclohexane ring here aldehyde. Cyclohexane carbaldehyde. But here COCH3 ketone. Here also what is our answer, Nana? COCH3. Like this here acid chloride is given. From acid chloride direct you can get. Okay. Next example. Benzyl chloride, benzoic acid chloride. Now different reagents are given. H2 by palladium barium sulfate. And here dimethyl copper lithium. Next one here dimethyl cadmium. Dimethyl cadmium nana. Then what is our answer here? Here Cl is there. In place of Cl you write. Here main product is what? Benzaldehyde. Rosenman reduction. Rosenman reduction. So here methyl group you can introduce. Acetophenone. Here also methyl group introduced. Acetophenone nana. Like this here acid chloride is given. From acid chloride directly you can get your answer. From acid chloride we can get our product. Okay. Substitution only. Nucleophilic substitution only. Nucleophilic substitution reaction. Okay, the answer. Acid chloride remaining reactions here reaction, but here Lindlar's catalyst we are using. One more important, whenever you are applying Lindlar's catalyst, this is a triple bond also affected. Triple bond nana. So here H2 by barium sulfate, palladium metal is there. Then in this case what happened? Triple bond converted double bond, particularly cis alkene, highly selective. Rosenman reduction is acid chloride to aldehyde, Lindlar's catalyst. But alkyne is given Lindlar's catalyst. Then alkene we are getting particularly cis alkene. Okay, na cis alkene. For example, like this is given. I'm writing very clear, carefully about this. Then reagent is H2 by palladium barium sulfate, Nana. H2 by palladium barium sulfate. Then answer, here triple bond affected or acid chloride? Answer, both affected. Both function group affected, Nana. Both are affected. Now this is converted aldehyde. Now in this case, what happened? See, here hydrogen, here double bond C, here methyl, here hydrogen. Both hydrogens are same side. Here hydrogen, same side. This is cis. Cis alkene and aldehyde. Both function group are affected, Nana. So many times entrance question, Lindar's catalyst. Remember that. Function only important. Different R group they will change. R group they will change, Nana. Okay, na? Triple bond to double bond, acid chloride to aldehyde. That is the importance of Lindar's catalyst. Okay. For example, acid chloride, C triple bond CH3. Reagent, H2 by palladium barium sulfate, dimethyl cadmium, dimethyl copper lithium, Nana. What is our answer? First case, here both function groups are given. Here this is converted to aldehyde group and triple bond is there. Cis condition I am writing. Two hydrogen same side, Nana. Very clear I am writing. Cis. Now here dimethyl cadmium is given only acid chloride to ketone, but triple bond does not affect, and Nana. Dimethyl copper lithium also given. What happened? Only acid chloride converted to ketone, but triple bond does not affect it. So careful about this one. H2 by palladium is given. Both are affected. Both function groups affected. Both function groups are affected. Okay, na? Both are affected or not? Yes. Both are affected. Over. So like this here, both function group given, we can easily assess. Depends on function group, reagent, depends on reagents, Nana. That's very important reaction. Okay, so that is about acid chloride. Next one, very important reaction. Reaction with dibal H. DIBAL, dibal. Dibal means Al means aluminium. That is a diisobutyl. This is one group. Similar way, CH2, CH3. So here this is isobutyl group. This is also isobutyl group. Two isobutyl groups are there. That is called as a diisobutyl. Here. This is isobutyl group here. Here H is there. That is called dibal H. This H releases as what? H minus, Nana, nucleophile. Remember, dibal H. Di-aluminium, di-isobutyl aluminum hydride, Nana, very important. So this reagent is given here. Esters are given. The ester is converted to aldehyde. Remember, similar way, cyanides are given. Cyanides also converted to aldehyde, Nana. So here very important. Whenever diball H is given, these function groups are affected. Diball H is given, ester group to aldehyde, cyanide group to aldehyde, Nana. Diball H. Here, for example, any ester is there, plus diball H. What happened? Answer. Simply here OR removed, here directly H attacks here. Nucleophilic substitution, then our answer RCOH. Remaining ROALR2. Like this, you will get aldehyde. Next case here, CN is given, diball H. R I am taking isobutyl. Diball H, Nana. Tell me answer. First triple bond, this undergoes cleavage, Nana. C plus N minus. C plus N minus. C plus N minus, Nana. Tell me. C triple bond N. Here nucleophilic addition. Here bond cleavage. This hydrogen added here. For C plus H minus added, our answer RC H double bond N AlR2. But immediately we'll write hydrolysis. Here triple bond cleavage, the double bond cleavage, then that is converted to aldehyde. Like this here, CN given aldehyde, CN given aldehyde, CN given aldehyde, ester group given aldehyde. This is the main importance of diball H. Diball H. Okay. For example, methyl cyanide. Now, CH3Mg, before only given last day, Saturday. Next one here, diball H. What happened? For CN, I told you here one carbon extra added here. Mechanism to saha icha meeku already this. With the mechanism given, diball H means what is our answer, Nana? Aldehyde. Aldehyde. CH3 CN. Here also what happened here? CN group converted to aldehyde. CN is there, no? CN group converted to aldehyde, Nana. Here also diball H. Here also aldehyde. CN. Shut. Here answer benzaldehyde. Like this, a CN is given, that is converted to aldehyde. Similar way, ester. Ester. CH3. CH3. So here also diball H. So in this case, answer CH3 COH. Estaldehyde. COET. So in this case, removal. Here aldehyde. Diball H. Here, what is our answer? Aldehyde. Ester also given, aldehyde. Benzoate plus diol H. Here also, what is our answer? Aldehyde. Diol H. Diol H. Diisobutyl aluminum hydride. Diisobutyl aluminum hydride, Nana. Next, COOETCN. What is our answer? Diol H. Here, two function groups are there. Ester converted to aldehyde, CN converted to aldehyde. Ester to aldehyde, CN to aldehyde. Ester to aldehyde, CN to aldehyde, Nana. Both are converted to aldehyde. Both are converted to aldehyde. So two function groups are given, both. For both you have tried. For both you have tried. Okay, na? Like this, many function groups are given, different function groups converted to different products. Students, careful about. So coming Sunday onwards, exams will conduct exam. Coming Sunday onwards, we'll conduct exam only online. Prepare for that. This week onwards, every week we'll conduct exam on Sunday. Every week exam. We'll announce the syllabus. Our chemistry syllabus is hydroxy compounds, Nana. Chemistry syllabus. Time is sufficient or not? Alcohols, phenols. Alcohols and phenols, our topic. Alcohol, phenols, our topic. JEE mains model only. Mains model only. Okay, na? Now, maths sir will announce maths topics. Physics sir will announce physics topic. Okay, na? So, maths will take one track only. So, any one of the two tracks are there now? One track this week. Next week we will keep other track. Physics also same. Physics also same. Okay? Physics. Good. So, this week onwards, every Sunday exam that is completely online. For that, here our management will give number, specific number. With the ID only, your site will open, otherwise difficult. Class is different, but you know online exam. For that, ID is required. Okay, na? So if you want your ID, what is your ID? You contact our office. So then they will give IDs. Okay, na? Through ID only you can get answer. You can get paper. Everything solution through ID. That is very important. So through our website only they will explain how to open that. The remaining thing we can discuss. Okay, na? So next, from ethyl acetate, EAA. Ethyl acetate. CH3, CO, CH2, this is CH3, CO, this is there. Ethyl acetate. This is called as ethyl. This is aceto. Acetoacetate. Ethyl acetoacetate. Ethyl acetoacetate. Okay, na? So in ethyl acetate, ethyl acetate. Now this CH2 is called as active methylene. Active methylene. Active methylene, Nana. So here active methylene, whenever withdrawing CH2, withdrawing, you know, minus I, minus Me. Minus I, minus Me is there. Then this is called as active methylene. So active methylene means these hydrogens are acidic. So main ethyl acetate given the main importance active methylene, Nana. Active methylene. We discussed it, iodoform reaction. Okay, that is ethyl acetate. So through this here, how will get? See here reaction CH3, CH2, COET. Then we will apply here sodium ethoxide, Nana. You know ETO minus base. ETO minus is the base. Base, tell me answer. Here base is there, here active hydrogen. Here base, here first base obstruct the acidic hydrogen. CH3, CO, CH minus, COOET. Like this here, anion formed, Nana, anion, carbanion. So carbanion resonance table. If this electron migrated here, this is migrated here, resonance table. CO. I am writing different way. First I am writing sodium ethoxide reaction, carbanion. Here nucleophile, then we'll write a reaction with alkyl halide. Alkyl halide is a nucleophilic substitution, RX. Here X is substituted by this nucleophile, means R group attacks here. Then our product formation CH3, CO, CH, COOET, here R group. Like this at active methylene, first important point, we are introducing R group at active methylene. Remember, at active methylene carbon, we are introducing R group, Nana. Here in active methylene group, here CH2 group, highly active. Again, sodium ethoxide is given RX. Again I am giving, again I means why? Here one more acidic. Therefore, in that place also we can introduce. Remember, here COC, R, here R, COOET, Nana. So this is very important. Finally, in ethyl acetate, 2 R group introduced at carbon. 2 R group introduced at carbon. This is the important thing. Remaining later, whenever active methylene, 2 acidic hydrogen, 2 acidic hydrogen, CH3, CO, CH2, CO. Next, here hydrolysis is given, particularly dilute base or dilute acid, Nana. Dilute base or dilute acid. Dilute base or any given. What happened? Here, whatever ester group is there, ester undergoes hydrolysis. In this case, answer CH3, CO, CH2, COOH. Like this acid, here COOH, with respect this carbon is alpha, here beta, Nana. Whenever ethyl estate subjected to hydrolysis, we are getting acid. In this acid, beta position keto. Remember, this is very important. Beta keto acids are unstable. Beta keto acids are unstable. Immediately, Nana, you catch this point. Immediately, your carbon dioxide removed. Carbon dioxide removed. Then what is our answer now? CH3, CO, CH3. Na. Final, you are getting acetone. Final, you are getting acetone. So, EAA, ethyl ester estate. Clear, Rasanu? Here, ethyl group is there, ET ethyl. Here, this is acetone. This is acetic acid ester. Acetate, acetic acid ester, acetate. EAA, in this active methylene is there. Active methylene, ethyl ester, acidic. So, due to acidic hydrogen, we can introduce 2 R group at active carbon. Leave that. Now come to our point. Ethyl ester estate subjected to hydrolysis. First, ester hydrolysis converted to acid. But after that, the acid is beta keto acid. Remember this point. Beta keto acids are highly unstable, Nana. Beta keto acids are highly unstable. Highly unstable. That's why immediately what happened? Carbon dioxide removed. Whenever carbon dioxide removed, we'll get ketone. We'll get ketone. Okay, na? So today we'll stop our class. Tomorrow we'll take example of ethyl ester estate. Tomorrow we'll see remaining example. This is Sunday. Our syllabus is alcohols, phenols. Alcohols, phenols, Nana. This is Sunday. Next we'll inform math syllabus, physics in syllabus.